hello, I have checked for you and for me on the checkout page on our product on email campaign. What happens if we put the main list, MAB list? So I put it in config, I put here don't display tag so that doesn't ask. The tag I think is used to know in the automation to know which download page to send to the person. In this case, there is no ebook to send. So I say don't display, no tag. And I tested. So the result is that if someone is already subscribed to the main list because he downloaded an ebook, when he buys the product, mailing boss doesn't reset. So it doesn't send again his email number 1, 2, 3. No, it stays the same. So it detects that the person is already in the mailing list. That was the issue, the interrogation that we had. So it's fine. You can add them. And then I tried with a brand new person who is not on the list and he just buys the product. So we can advertise the product. And what happens is then start the sequence. So he receives the first email, read me first, and then the second one, etc. And doesn't receive any ebook, but he receives all the emails of the list. So it is fine, both for people already in the list and also for those who are not in the list. And also, in Builderall, on the affiliate menu, when you are on leads, you can say that new Builderall users under you, they can be added to a list. So in this case also I add them to the MAB main list. And in this case the only issue is the first email, which says and it's an issue also for the checkout if a person just buys the product, because in the first email it says, okay, you have put your email in one of my mentor James Neville Taylor capture page and blah blah blah. So this is good only for those who want to download an ebook, but not for those who only buy the product or those who only register on Builderall. So this sentence, I will modify it, just one sentence on the first email of the list, just to say, welcome, you become my contact because you like Builderall. Or I don't know what I will put this sentence, but to make it very generic, doesn't say anything. So that's it. The video was to tell you that I have tested and there is no problem in choosing the main list for the product. It doesn't affect those who are already on the list. It subscribe the new ones and start the list correctly. So why not do it? That's it. Bye bye.
Look, hey, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Look, if you're trying to build the name of your brand, they came with a plan, get your name in demand. With Builderall, you can save your day in advance. Keep the apps automated so you barely need to glance. Listen, think of all the power that you hold. It's a new globe, everyone is grabbing for their phones. Imagine the control, build your passion on your own. And the more that you connect, the more attraction they will show. Not only a sales funnel, look, this is more advanced. This will help you compete, but have the upper hand. Keep your products in demand. It's all in one spot. You don't have to calculate and feel afraid with your thoughts. Automate your response. Drag and drop your site or click map your fans. See the pages they like or use the video wrap or capture their sites. Design your own app from scratch, just how you like. Yeah, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Design with y'all in mind, let entrepreneurs shine. Tired of the 9 to 5, you starting your own grind and it's alright. They got the tools you need. The connection they designed is truly unique. Never been able to express my views with ease. I move, release, double click and ooh, I'm pleased. My clients as well, tired of the hoops and leaps. Too many things in the way of my truth and dreams. A Builderall rock star is what you really are. Tune in on the internet, we'll make make you a star. You don't need to study hard, all it takes is a start. Work every day and move higher till you way off chart. Stay on, never sleep on none of the apps. It's a free sign up just so you know in advance. Builderall's for the legends, nothing's holding you back. You got the tools and the plan, you can stay on track. Believe that. They designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need's Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall.